Hello, my name is Christine Bagwell, and this summer I had the pleasure of being the sustainability intern for Tellus. Tellus is on a mission to be the most sustainable outdoor apparel brand. They plan to achieve this through their Give Back 100 pledge, donating 100% of net profits to environmental organizations, and through the products themselves. All Tellus products are made with recycled contents, effectively diverting waste from landfills. Because Tellus is a startup planning to launch in the fall of 2023, there were still various decisions to be made and questions to be answered in my time there. My main goals this summer were writing Tellus's first sustainability report, researching the B Corp certification process and determining Tellus's eligibility, and verifying information on product fact sheets for use in marketing materials. The first step in creating the sustainability report was conducting a materiality assessment to determine the topics that were applicable to disclose in the report. This also highlighted the gap between topics typically covered in the outdoor apparel industry and those that, as a startup, I was not yet able to disclose. Many of these topics, such as verifying the fabric content of our product, required a supply chain analysis to gather data and information. Due to a contractual agreement with Tellus's design partners, all communication and documentation with upstream suppliers had to go through the design company. I received information on fabrics, materials, and supplier facilities through our design partners, then sought out third parties to verify this information. I utilized auditing parties and databases such as the Textile Exchange, Open Supply Hub, and certification-specific databases. Through this research, I was able to confirm our fabric and product contents, supplier validity, and social or environmental certifications held by our suppliers. With this information, I was able to verify the information on our marketing and press fact sheets. Because Tellus will have an online marketplace, I identified packaging as one of their biggest areas of waste. After analyzing, meeting with, and testing out 3 different suppliers, I chose the company Better Packaging Co. and their apparel mailers made from recycled ocean-bound plastic. I used the same system of company comparisons to advise on third-party products that will be sold through the Tellus store, like sunscreen and socks. This concluded the bulk of my research for the report. Other sections were added for corporate values, the Give Back 100 pledge, facilities, community engagement, and future goals. This takes us to the B Corp certification process. I was initially going to apply for a pending B Corp status, which is for startups and small companies that aren't yet ready for the full certification process. After meeting with an analyst at B Lab, the certifying body for B Corp, my plan for certification shifted. The pending B Corp status is best suited for companies that don't plan on pursuing the full certification for the foreseeable future, which was not the case for Tellus. It was also concluded that although Tellus is a startup, they did currently qualify for the full B Corp certification. However, I determined that although they technically could apply, we would achieve a much higher score and be eligible for additional accolades if we postpone application until the store has launched and has records of sales and operations. Because Tellus owners are the current sole employees and they will be growing when the store opens in the next few months, I advise them to start thinking about issues such as governance, DEI, and employee welfare initiatives. I provided some recommendations for sustainable store features, such as a supplier for recycled plastic clothing hangers. Although I chose the packaging mailer, I advised that they switch to Better Packaging's biodegradable option once they have a grasp on order quantities. During my last week, I verified that a new supplier didn't hold the certification they claimed and advised sourcing a new supplier for this product. Thank you so much to Tellus for trusting me. Thank you to the Impact staff for matching me with such a great organization. And thank you for watching Adventure with Purpose.